Hi, I'm Joey here at Heartland Honda. Today we're going over the 2020 Talon 4-seat live valve edition. We have installed the Jackson Racing Turbo on this particular unit. It also has the Maxxis Rampage on 32s with the System 3 bead locks, paired with the Fox live valve. Excellent combination for the trails, pretty much whatever you want to take it out and do. Moving around here to the back side, we'll look at the Turbo edition here on it. Got the turbo that's mounted to the exhaust with the intake and everything there. Coming in with the intercooler. Keeps it cool with the pop-off valve and everything when it shifts. This baby adds 60% horsepower to the stock settings on here. One of the best things about installing the Jackson Turbo kit is it does not void your warranty. It's totally backed by Honda, and they're going to take care of any issues if you got some that's directly resulted from the turbo at the moment. Moving around to the seats, we've got bolstered seats. It is a premium vinyl covering. It also does accept harnesses. Has the holes for the harnesses to hook onto the roll bars for extreme safety. With the turbo, you're going to want to stay in the seats and stay in the rig with all the power. So come on down to Heartland Honda, check it out. We'll get you on the road with a nice turbo 4-seat live valve edition.